my queen. Greetings.
Greetings, my queen.
Greetings, my queen. I am Obiageli, a first grade member of the 3rd Defense Line, sister to Dikeh, the great warrior, who left with King Ijele to the land of the spirits.
You are welcome, my daughter.
Thank you.
Please arise.
Thank you.
As you all have seen and heard, she's a first grade member of the 3rd Defense Line, and also a sister to our great warrior, Dikeh. Is it not a plus to us?
It is. You're welcome. You're welcome.
My queen, there is one more thing you need to know.
What is it, my daughter?
They are gathering at the river boundary, and I'm certain they might attack tomorrow morning.
Then we will attack tonight.
Yes, our queen. We will attack tonight.
Gallant women of our land.
Yes, my queen.
You have to get ready because the hour has come. We will crush them so that the river will wash away their blood.
We are warriors and not babies. Let us go. Stop crying. Let us go. Do you have any remorse at all? Do you even care about any of us or just yourself? Stand out. You are a great warrior. Stand out. Don't tell me that. Leave him. Let him voice out his anger. Anger? Anger, you call it? You were 7 when we left our kingdom. Now we are just 4. 2 of our men died, and their body are nowhere to be found. Are you this heartless? I am not heartless. Neither am I selfish. I am a warrior. Great warriors, great men. They've died fighting for our kingdom. And if you die fighting for this kingdom, you will be remembered as a great warrior. Let's go. Dikeh, my warriors, we are about to enter the land of the dwarfs.
And how did you know?
My grandfather once told me a story about them. Whatever they do to tempt us, do not fight them. Let us pretend as if we are fighting ourselves, and then we can defeat them.
Ijele, how are we going to defeat them then?
Dikeh, I will explain to you along the way. Let's go.
Now I can understand what delayed Honorum. He wiped the warriors that attacked him with our own great warriors. Yes. This is a very good news.
A very good one.
What about the elder that betrayed us?
Iche, were you not here? When Ono sent on alone to wipe them away with our warriors. Eh? Why you still ask? Why you still going back? Eh? This is good news.
What are you doing on our way?
Oh, my princess. Greetings, my princess.
Greetings to you. I am Princess Oleo.
I know who you are, my princess.
I want to appreciate you for all that your family has done to this family. Your father was a great friend to my father. Your brother is a great friend to my brother. And here we are, fighting to defend the throne against rebel. I just hope after everything, the both family will come together and bond forever.
We will do what we can as human and leave the rest for the gods, my princess.
Yes, that's true. As our brothers are in the evil forest, fighting for the purpose, I just pray that they come back alive.
You see...
Together we fight to defend our kingdom. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Most of you underwent a secret training and have never had the chance to engage in a real battle. I'm assuring you that the chance has come. Finally, the chance is here. Some people have been insisting that the third line defense of this kingdom be destroyed. And they are the same people trying to destroy this present kingdom now. They have waited so long for a day like this. But we will show them, we will make them know that we have waited more longer than them. Great warriors of this kingdom. Great! Great women of this kingdom.
Great!
You will go out there and slay anybody that is a threat to the peace and unity of this kingdom. Are we ready?
We are ready!
Are we ready?
We are ready!
We are ready.
We are ready! We are ready! We are ready! Are we ready? We are ready!
Where is he? Where is that coward? Honestly, come out there! You, take that way. Take this way. Go in there. Search in there. Get anyone in there out! Ah!
Get him! Get him!
Warrior!
Get him! Get him! Great warriors, great warriors, great warriors.
Thank the gods that I escaped this evil. Oh no, what the warriors?
Nemo! Your Majesty, look at her. Look at her. Look at her. Look at that. We are going right. No, we are going right. We go left. I didn't see anything on the right.
Let's go left.
No, Your Majesty, no. I saw my fault. We are picking right. I just saw her now.
No, we have to go left. Dikeh, I'm your king. If I did not approve, you will not embark on this mission.
Your Majesty, I know very well that you are my king, but I can still go this journey alone. We go right.
My king, I think this evil land is trying to make you to fight amongst yourself. Look at the right. Nobody's there.
Let's go left. Take my instructions. Follow me.
My king, there is a hut there. Let's focus on this hut. Maybe we'll find them all in there.
Oleo,
Yes.
we should have attacked the palace before they attack us. We wasted too much time. So what are we going to do now?
Simple. It's not over yet. Eh? Will we win this? See this? We must win.
Oleo, how are we going to win?
Simple. We will win this, I promise you, once we have the head of the king in our hand.
Oleo, how are we going to get the head when we don't know if it's alive or not?
Simple. This is my point. This is what I'm talking about. If he survives, he must pass through this place. And then we kill him, take the head, go to the palace, claim the throne, and that's it. Simple.
Oleo, I pray this work because I don't want to lose my life for nothing.
Simple, I assure you, we will not lose it.
My king, look at that. Merima.
What? How can you be Mirima and Agonwai at the same time? Who are you? Turn around!
dare you? How dare you?
You are Merima and you are Agunwai. I can see you possess some powers. Let's see how far you can go with me, Igwe Ijele. Ah! My name is Ijele. Igwe Ijele. I guess the spirits are also afraid.
You claim to be the greatest warriors of your land. Now, let's see how good you are.
You are not a human. You are a spirit.
You are not my match. Yet you claim to be the greatest warriors of your land. I have not fought you spiritually. This is me, physically. And I fought and defended the kingdom for your father.
What did you just say? You fought for our kingdom and nobody heard about you.
Maybe I'll tell you why I lured you to the forest to kill you.
Oh, my baby. Oh.
My king, my elders, we've got strong information from my source that someone wants to destroy this throne by killing the queen and her unborn child.
Agowai, what is the source of your information?
That I will not disclose to you or no.
Oh. Okay, let me tell you this. I am not pleading to you to tell me, but I'm ordering you to do that right now, Agowai!
You have no right to order us on what to do and what not to do. The defense line answers only to the throne.
Enough. Now Agowai, tell me, where did you get this information?
My king, what if someone here is behind these attacks? The person will kill my source of information and find a way to terminate the queen.
Are you insulting the elders? Or you are calling the elders traitors?
No. She never called the elders traitors. What she said is that someone amongst us here could be a spy. It could be you, it could be me, it could be anybody in this palace. That's what she's saying.
Your Highness, Agowai is right. Let her keep her sort of information to herself. As far as she uses it to protect this kingdom. I don't know why you are forcing her to tell you. Okay,
Enough. Agowai,
my king,
you may leave while I settle these issues with my elders.
May you live long, my king. But I would rather visit the queen in her chambers.
You may.
Thank you, my king. My elders.
My elders, please, let's take things easy.
It's true.
Where is Abaka?
She is where you instructed her to be.
Okay, come with me. We need to see the queen.
My greatest warrior.
Greetings, my queen.
Greetings.
How are you?
Well, as you can see, the baby is kicking hard. Just reminding me that soon he or she will be with us. Agawani, thank you so much for the protection.
My queen, I am just upholding the oath I took. And you're my good friend. It's good to see that you and the baby are hale and hearty.
Yes, thank you.
Come, follow me.
Amaka! Agumai! Come, follow me now!
I'm coming.
May the gods protect my friend.
Igwe, those maidens are growing wild and one day they will challenge everybody. We must dissolve them now. Igwe, those maidens, they are doing a great job in this kingdom. I don't know what is a problem. Why do you want it to be dissolved? What is the problem? Can you just listen to me for once? They are doing a great job for now, I agree. But they are working without instruction and they are not accountable to anybody. Igwe, I advise again. These people one day will challenge the throne and there's nothing any one of us can do to them. Resolve now.
My king, the head of the traitor that wants to kill the queen and destroy the throne.
What?
Check it.
Hey, that is the head of the enemy. Yes.
Agumai.
My king.
But you told me that you wanted to be with the queen. What happened?
Yes, my king. I was with her while I saw someone hiding in the bush. The warriors and I went after them. They lured us to their camp. We killed them all. This is the head of their leader.
Igwe, Kamfunaya.
Confirm. Hey! That is it.
All of you can see what I'm saying. She did this without any remorse. One day, they will come after us and no one can defend us. The third defense line must be dissolved now, Igwe, to avoid.
Agumai, you may leave.
Thank you, my king.
Dad!
My king.
Take this away from me. Take it away!
Easy. But she tried now.
Try the watch.
She tried. Head of the enemy. Head of the enemy.
My elders. Let those who are in support of banning the third defense line raise their hands. Good. The third defense line will be banned when my wife puts to bed. And that is my final ruling. I really do not know what to do. But I am certain that I don't want to break the defense line.
Your Majesty, there is something you have to do about it.
Now, my good friend, tell me, what exactly should I do about this?
Your Majesty, marry her and everybody will stop bothering about her activities any longer.
What? But does that even make any sense?
The third defense is for the throne. The elders are worried for nothing. Since they are good in proving that they are mischievous, we teach them how to do it.
I see. But marrying Agumai, is that a good decision?
It's a very good decision. My friend, do what I said and the people will stop bothering about the end of the defense line. Yes.
I see. Agwai,
My king.
the only way to keep this third defense line is for me to marry you as my second wife. Yes. And because I still need you people around. At least to secure this kingdom completely from the evil ones.
Yes.
Please.
My king, I'm sorry. I can't marry you. It's not possible.
Agumai, think of it in this light. Marry my king and my friend. And you become the queen in charge of third defense line. Yes. And every benefit that goes to warriors now becomes yours. How about it?
Like I said, I can't marry the king. I already swore before the sacred shrine that I would not have anything to do with any man, but to serve the throne as its warrior forever.
But the oath can be overturned.
Yes.
The oath can be reversed if you solemnly in your heart choose to do so. Please, I beg you, have a rethink.
My king, I'll have to go back to my hut.
Easy. They should just walk out on me.
Take it easy. We will have to do something that will make her succumb to you. Yes, yes.
The priestess, I want you to break the oath.
My king, it is not in your power to decide who will break the oath. She has her own free will. Agunwai, would you like to break the oath?
No, I do not want to. I'll rather serve the kingdom as a warrior till I die.
Agunwai, do not misuse this opportunity you are given. If you decline, some elders have voted to dissolve their team. But if you accept, Dikeh will retain the third defense line with the influence of the marriage.
I have made up my mind. Ichi or Dinakachi. My king, I'm not supposed to be far from the queen. I have to be going.
If you leave here without breaking the oath, do not bother coming to the palace.
Don't push it. Dikeh. Allow her to be. You can dissolve them from being warriors and turn them to palace mates, but secretly warriors.
I cannot stand this manner of disrespect.
She walked out on me. I will not take this lightly.
Okay.
She must pay for this.
Handle this.
Let us go. I will never allow her to go unpunished. Never!
My great friend, I will advise you to ignore her. Forget about her.
Why should I ignore her? She walked out on me.
Just to attend to your pregnant wife. There is nothing wrong with that.
No, there is certainly something wrong. Now I am beginning to understand what the Onowu has been saying. If you allow them, they will overshadow us. Yes.
And then what do you want to do?
I will punish her. Very, very well. And I will make her to destroy the oath and accept to marry me. Yes. That is what I will do. Yes.
I can't stay here anymore. I can't betray the queen.
Then, we should be packing.
Yes. See, go call all the warriors. Because we have to pack our things. We are leaving first thing in the morning. Go get me water to drink.
Right.
That means they are ready.
Let us go.
If you move, we'll kill her.
Agwan, I command you to seize your sword. How dare you, Agwan? How dare you to raise your sword against your king? Now, drop your sword. Drop it to the ground. And move. Move! Move! Before I slice you into pieces. Move. Keep moving. This is what you have brought upon yourself. For turning your back at me, Agwan.
I served you well. I served you well, my king. I only want to serve you.
Then accept to marry me. Accept it.
It's so simple.
Never. Never will I denounce my oath for any reason.
Then you will remain in this pit without any food nor water.
Okay.
Guards, make sure she does not escape from this place. Else, your both head will go for it.
This is my king. You can't do this to me. I served you well.
Ebule, Ebule, Iyoye metara, Obulu, Ebule, Ebule. Avoid this calamity you want to bring upon yourself. Go and release that girl now. If you don't want to regret it later. Iyoye metara, Obulu, Ebule, Ebule, Iyoye metara, Obulu.
Your Majesty, let us go and release that girl. I am having a bad feeling as well. Please.
Do not let her deceive you. Do not allow her to confuse you. I know that she does not support the oath breaking. But what should be in the mind of the two of us is how to make Agwanyi accept my proposal. Yes. So my good friend, think. Think of a way forward. Think. That is what I want right now.
It's about to rain. What do we do?
Let us leave him here.
But the rain will beat her.
I really want to put him here. Move.
I shall have vengeance for all you have done to me. You shall be alive and wish you were dead. And if you have children, I will make them pay for putting me in this position.
Igwe. Igade.
My very good friend, you came very early. I hope all is well.
She is dead.
What? What happened?
She was drowned by last night's rain.
She was drowned? No. No! Never. No. No! It's not possible. It's not possible! No. Hold on. So this is true.
Yes. She's dead.
What a pity. Guards, I waited till sunset before doing this. Guards, take her body to the evil forest. Make sure no one sees you.
So I thought it was a joke. Not until she killed two of my guards. And then I drew my sword and fought her. And also my very good friend Odinaka
Also drew his sword and fought her subordinates.
Maybe they have forgotten so soon that men of this land, we are great warriors. Yes. Oh no, who happens to be right? Pride took over them. And pride led them not only disobey the king, but also challenged him.
So my others, on this note, I hereby abolish the existence of the third defense line.
So, I instructed the guards to escort them far away from this kingdom. Because I know that by now, Onowu and the elders will be requesting for their head. She misses you. But I'm sorry, you might not be able to see her any moment, anytime soon.
My king, what about the third defense line?
Oh, about that. Well, from now, moving on, you are now the new leader of the third defense line. But you will not be shown to the public. And I want you to pass this information to every loyal member of yours. Tell them to train their daughters to become a warrior. Yes, because time will come when it will be needed the most.
All right. I will, my king.
How is the baby? I hope he's kicking well.
Very strong. Just like a warrior.
A warrior indeed.
Yes.
Okay, it's okay. It's all right.
I apologize for all what my father did to you. I guess I wasn't born then, and I am not aware. Please forgive us.
Please, I am begging you now to forgive my father. We are sorry, please.
No! I won't. I will never forgive you. Never! Ah!
Agumai, you still look young. Even in the old.
What are you doing here? You're not supposed to be here.
An apology has been tendered. That gave me the pathway into the land of the spirit.
You cannot interfere with what I am doing here.
So I will. I have the powers. As long as an apology has been tendered.
Then why didn't you interfere in my situation? I begged for my life. I pleaded for my freedom.
All of you, we are humans. As at that time. But now, you are a spirit.
I don't care. Get out of my way!
I can't let you do anything. You can't harm them anymore.
Then I get nothing at the end. I must revenge!
Igwe Jele will give you something. You will get something.
What are you going to give me, warrior?
Immortality.
You can't restore my life. How then can you give me immortality?
Agumai, your name will live forever. I, Igwe Jele, I will tell the entire kingdom and all the neighboring kingdoms that you fought for this great land, that you are a great warrior. We will remember you forever.
We have to leave here immediately. The kingdom is not safe anymore. Hold my hand. are meant to come out from the same entrance you came in from. This is how far I can take you. The moment I leave here now, he will see you and quickly finish the blood in the calabash. So you hurry and approach the veil before he closes it. Igwe Ijele, Oleo has laid ambush for you at the cave. He wants you dead. See you when you return home.
How come they survived this place? They are here already. Let me drink my blood.
Your Majesty, let us go. He is trying to finish the blood.
We have to cross now. You don't have any right to close the gate on us. You cheated us with the blood.
You are not the one to direct me how to drink my blood.
Old wizard, we have already sacrificed enough. We are the only one left. Please, allow us to pass.
None of you was meant to survive. No one has ever done it.
Hey! What are you going to do?
Make sure my body reaches.
What are you going to do? Hey! Dikeh, what is it? What are you going to do?
Let's go.
You can pass.
Let's go,
my
Dikeh.
blood to drink.
Oleo.
Oh, Igwe Ijele.
You're here to receive me. That's so thoughtful of you.
Yes, King Ijele. I'm here to receive you and also to kill you!
To kill me? You must be out of your mind.
Hey! Hello. Are you talking about this? Any other ambush?
You deserve to die. Leave him! Spare him. I want him alive. Bring him with me.
Don't provoke me.
Through battles, fears, and trials by fire, we have no tolerance for evil. We will fight, eliminate, and set apart the rotten eggs to uphold the dignity.
I want to take over the throne.
Hey, come and get back. Come here.
My Lolo, I hope they will still come back alive.
What are you talking? If I, a woman, should come back from war, what of a man? Igwe Ijele will come back, definitely.
May the gods of our land protect them and bring them back to us.
He said, did you hear that?
I want this man. I told you.
Kneel down, Onowu. Onowu, I said, on your knees. On your knees, Onowu. Go down.
I warned you.
Amaku Kwenu.
Hey!
Kwenu.
Hey!
Kwenu.
Hey!
This is the traitor. This is the traitor. This is the Onowu that wants to unseat me. He wants to kill me.
Hey!
By tradition, I should behead you. But I will have mercy on you because I'm a peaceful king. I know what to do with you. Guards! Lock him up. Up, Abi.
Hey!
Guards! Let there be enough drink. Let there be fun. Kwenu! Mwanu! Renu! Kwezano!
You're alive!
Because of this same Onowu, my father and Dikeh's father were pushed into making mistakes unnecessarily. I'm not here to make excuses for them, but I'm here to tell you the truth of what happened so many years ago. Onowu, you are hereby banished out of this kingdom. Go far! Go far and never return! Guards! Take him out of this kingdom.
Go!
Go!
Get up! Push him now!
Take him out of this kingdom!
I warned you.
Push him very well!
I warned you.
Evil man!
From today we will experience peace. Ago wine will be immortalized. The land where she was buried will be named after her. Onoche,
Igwe.
I make you the new Onowu of this great kingdom. I want you to put your cabinet together that will take this great kingdom forward. We want peace, prosperity, wealth for our great kingdom. And make sure my friend Dikeh's name is number 1 on the list. And that is if he will choose a wife.
Your Majesty, my king, after the terrible experience we had to the land of spirits, I don't want us to remain only friends. I think it is the right time we become family. And that can only happen if your sister, our beautiful princess here, accept me as her husband.
This is interesting.
Please, beautiful princess, will you marry me?
Yes, I will marry you.
Amaku Gwenu!
Hey!
Gwenu!
Hey!
Gwenu!
Hey!
Gwenu!
Hey!
Gwenu!
Hey!
Gwenu!
Hey!
Gwenu!
Realms of valor where heroes ride. A band of warriors with honor in our eyes. Our hearts are ablaze with courage as our guide. We march into frame with victory to abide.
Through battles fierce and trials by fire, we have no tolerance for evil. We will fight, eliminate, and set apart the rotten eggs to uphold the dignity and honor. Our kingdom is upright. Our king is our voice. We uphold our dignity.
Realms of valor where heroes ride. A band of warriors with honor in our eyes. Our hearts are ablaze with courage as our guide. We march into frame with victory to abide.